Today, our lunch, I am preparing a pork or a meat of a pork. So, I'm going to let it hubas, the sauce. Okay. Ako ra siya ipahubas soon. So, naara siya gamay ana nga mabilin. So, ako siya i-mix og orange juice. That is fresh orange juice na akong i-press. So, muna ako ang dish of the day. So, ayang side dish is mashed potato. This is my pressing the orange. Okay, this is my orange. Pineapple. And this is my fresh orange juice. This is 4 pieces. And this is my apple. So I will going to blend them together. Wait. Kaya ato na siya i-blender. Kaya ang atong kuha nani is the juice. And we will going to put this over there. We will not going to use a bitsin or ajinomoto, so we will use a honey. So I did not yet put a salt in there, just because I just wanted to let it out the salt from the meat, which I put already when I fried them. One full tablespoon of honey. The sauce is from the apple, orange, and pineapple. Ang yang sabaw di ay kay wala man to na ko gisagol ang sabaw ganina. So, iyang taste is super duper delicious. So, ako sa ni siyang pahubason gamay, and then okay na dayon. Yeah, dayon maghimo ra ko og kanang potato. Mashed potato di ay para partner ani. Super as in walay sama kalamig.